I'll be doing an eating video with my sister. She ate almost all her fries.
Yeah, but he gave me some fries.
So
but I ate all of it.
We're gonna eat kids meal and some mac and cheese. And their mac and cheese is bomb.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start. What's it called? We got root beer, but let me go get straws.
They didn't give us straws.
Yeah, they always do that.
Why?
Okay. She can just have a straw.
I do not. I don't want nuggets.
You don't want nuggets?
Yeah.
I'll take them.
Okay.
Thanks. I love their nuggets. You barely get to eat them that much.
I don't eat them that much because so disgusting. I'm gonna eat my fries first. These are actually good.
Their nuggets are like just a tender hidden inside. Technically, they are.
Mom, you got some mac and cheese.
Huh?
You got some mac and cheese.
I'll just get them.
Disgusting.
You're disgusting when you eat too.
We make weird sounds. Willie always screams. I always sing "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star" in the car. And I just make a lot of noise and sing "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star." It doesn't. Well, today I sing "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star," so I didn't do it like a lot of times. So I just did it the first time.
You know our cousin Leo? We tried to take. Oh no! We tried to take this shot like 5 times, and what's it called? He kept calling.
So he's just like a cousin,
But I'm older than him.
yeah, like my our cousin. He's bigger than him, but he's older than him.
What?
You did not hear what I said?
What's it called? She doesn't make sense sometimes.
I always don't make sense because sometimes I'm a cute boy. What was that? I made a weird sound.
You know these nuggets, like they're so good, but like they're so big compared to like. I mean, there's so much like they're so much more like better cooked than McDonald's.
Wait, didn't I make a sound? When I was laughing, did I make the sound? Oh.
When you think about waffle fries, you don't get that much, right? But technically, you're eating a lot of fries at once.
I dropped it on my leg. Feels good. Wait, where's the... Oh. I usually put that top here, then I put my macaroni here. I don't know why, it's just I like it.
I'm probably not gonna even get to drink my drink.
Why?
Because there's no metal straws. We don't drink out of plastic anymore.
Yeah, we drink this. We don't drink plastic.
I'm getting the Creek Crab plushie. Yeah, we pre-order it. Go get it. Shout out to Creek Crab. Creekshop.com.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Did you know?
See that string? That's cheese.
A lot of people are saying that what's it called? They're gonna there's leaks that they might make a spicy version of this. I can't wait if they do that.
Like sometimes I raise my hand. Not like in school. I raise my hand to ask like a question, like not like questions for school. When I like tell something about stuff, like I raise my hand, but not like in school. I raise my hand like this and like talk to mom or dad. I just like to ask questions, but Willie likes to ask questions the most. Ew. Stupid.
The Chick-fil-A workers, I like to talk to them.
Willie talked to the Chick-fil-A worker. Chick-fil-A right there. He likes to talk to them. He's a really talker. He's a big talker. You don't understand. Willie, what do you like to say every day? Okay, take it off. That's a good part.
Their mac and cheese is so good.
Yeah, I haven't eaten that for a long time. I just tasted that when I was 6 years old or 7 years old.
Me and mom tasted it before you. I got it like the day.
But when did I taste that? When did it?
You just started ordering it.
But how? But I. When did I start liking it?
I don't know. You just started eating mine.
Not funny. I just laughed so I can pretend that it's funny. I always buy toys every day.
What's it called?
I don't buy them every day. I just want toys. But I don't like buy toys that much, so. Go ahead, Willie. Go ahead. Go ahead. What are you going to say?
Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to post tomorrow. So I'm just going to try to make something, probably Roblox.
Roblox?
How to make a pony skin.
Pony skin? How do you make a pony skin?
Yes. In Roblox. So you can be pony when you're playing Piggy. I got the video idea from Creekcraft.
I have an old phone, so I play Roblox on it. Even I like to play Roblox on my phone so much, but I do it when I'm in school, but no,
Because we're getting homeschooled because the virus.
Okay. Okay. Sometimes when I say something, no, this is the first time. No. Sometimes, when I say something and my family says, huh? And I just say, before I say something the first time, I say something else the first time, then I say the thing that I said the first time. Why do that? My head likes to be crazy.
Rocket League is actually really fun. I played it on my cousin's Nintendo Switch. We thought it broke like at 3 a.m., but it was actually just out of batteries. Out of battery. It needed to be charged. almost full.
My cousin has a bunk bed. Huh? What is it? What is it?
Nothing. Oh. I'm almost done with my food.
I'm not done. I'm doing my fries. I'll just leave right here. I don't have any food.
Yes, you do.
I don't have any food. I mean I don't have any fries. See?
French fries.
Look at us.
Addicting.
I don't have any fries. I ate all. He gave me 3 fries. Even I ate all my fries in the car. Because I was so hungry. I can break this by using toothpaste. Are you still going to stay here until I'm done with my food?
Bye, guys.
Bye.